So today's topic is karma means I have to improve my karma. Give and take, some have given up to do our seva. So when we understand this, you won't believe as many people they have heard this gyan. Atam gyan, Brahm gyan goes on law of karma. Once I understand law of karma, whatsoever is happening in the house, whether husband is monster, mother-in-law monster, people around, but once I know the basic, I will not give it back. आप समझ रहे हैं? If I have to break that chain, फिर मुझको वापस नहीं देना है, जिसमें Lord Buddha's teachings, if so great people they have done like this, we also have to do. These all devtas, these all ritual whatsoever you do, I also used to do. I belong to J&K, our Vaishno Devi Jammu mein, you know. In our house, it was more Vaishno Devi. And all dharmic sanskaras we got from there. But same Devi Devta, same Vaishno Devi gave me the Guru in a live form so that I can question answer, and here I'll go, I'll cry, everything. They will give, especially the Lord Shiva. Lord Shiva always give you the master. You might have heard the Lord Krishna in Mahabharata, after 18 days that fight was going on Mahabharata, he told Arjun, now go to the Tattvagyani Guru. He didn't give himself. He didn't give the Gyan to Arjuna. That moment he's told everything. He's listening what kind of Arjuna, he doesn't want to kill his own people. Ajkal, today's world, what they are killing each other. Brother is killing. On the road, see, all over, you must be listening news. So, what we learn from there, the Devtas give you the master, Guru. So, I question answer about my family, my purpose of life. They explained me. And I got improved. Then I felt, oh, everybody should know. So, it was my desire to give everybody to know the law of karma. वो माधो समझता था सखा, who will kill our ego? He wanted Arjun. Arjun had lot of ego that I'm very good in Tir Kaman and all this thing. He wanted to kill. So that master's work is there. If you are really a disciple, then you listen and you start improving. You start becoming zero. I may die, you may live. Otherwise, you may die, I may live. We do all this. It has become worst now. Mine was 1989. Since then, when I went to my master. Today's world, you may die, I don't care. I should live. So he wanted Lord Arjuna, he wanted Meera to go to the Tattvagyani Guru who should teach what is the purpose of life, why you are here. You all come to Devi Devta temple, we do this thing, we cry. First of all, we should, open our eyes, not the closing eyes and joining hands. See, to connect with the Paramatma, Durga, Shiva, this Rama, Krishna, everybody. Tell them, have close relationship with God. The day I felt from my Guru's grace, I started talking to Devtas. All Devtas, they come more closer to you when you are in Atma. When your karmas are going good, you are clearing yourself, all the devtas will come to you. You can be having more close relationship. If today you are listening to me, you'll go to Durga, you go to here, you'll feel very closeness, oneness with the devtas. ऐसे हम हाथ जोड़ा, बेंड करा और रोक के चले गए घर में. You know, if you really genuine, they will give you somebody, they can give you the answer of that why you are crying. So we should not close our eyes. We should meet to my Paramatma. When you talk to somebody, you don't close your eyes. You open your eyes, you remove your glasses, and then you talk. Isn't these are the manners where you have to remove your glasses, keep your phone aside, then you are talking to the person. So this is how he wanted him to know about karmas. So every day in the house karmas going on. आप सुबह उठते हैं morning में, कल की बात करी है. If you're joint family, if you're husband and wife, then also you have something to clear today. So first of all, when you get up in the morning, only gratitude to God. उठने से पहले, सोने से पहले, gratitude, thank you Paramatma, and then affirmation डाल के कि today my day is going to be full of abundance and all. I'm going to have full of abundance, good relations. What way we get up, we don't know how to sleep, we don't know how to get up. And we are crying all the time. So when we start doing all this thing and then see the results, to whomsoever now rain comes for everybody. And who are those they have the utensil and all, it fill the water. Those they don't have, it doesn't fill. You all are listening. I got the result from people really with the gratitude they changed. They improved their karmas. Nowadays, Google Devta, everybody Google, everybody says, elders are the biggest Google at home. They are experienced. You sit with them, have their blessings. Don't listen if you don't want, but sit with them and the blessings. Once they are gone, you will go to the room, nobody is there. One day we are also gone. We have to leave this planet. So why we are doing all this? Hatred and jealousies with your own people. अपने लोगों के साथ. अपने लोगों से हम jealousy, hatred कर रहे हैं. What kind of vibrations are there? My karmas are good, my house, no numerology, astrology, vastu, nothing we need. This karma starts in the morning from home. And don't come from anywhere. Like yesterday something happened, today again you are swollen face and all, and you are not saying hello, good morning, nothing. So that doesn't go. You with karmas, let Lord take care, let God take care. I have to clean my room. So this is how God, these all devtas can be more helpful to you. हम बोलते ना हमारी prayer सुनी नहीं जाती है. Like बच्चा, a small baby cries, mama, mama, तो माँ immediately she comes. We say no, 108 times you have to chant. They say 108 times, mama, 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 child will call, keep saying 108 times, no. Immediately mother runs. So why our relationship is like this? We have to chant lot of malas, 11 malas, 21 malas, then how million malas like that. Then God will listen. It means I'm not good shuddh from here. My antakaran, my subconscious mind is not clear. I have lot of keeping those knots in my thing, you know. Like you don't open and you talk to other person, but you don't talk to the concerned person. अपनी सास की बात दूसरे से करोगे, अपनी बहू की बात you'll talk to the other person. तो वो गांठें जो है ना, that doesn't clean our chakras, जो हमारे अंदर हैं. These all karmas, 7 chakras only karmas. So today's topic is karma means I have to improve my karma. You are making something, tea or something, that also with the like prasad you are making for like Paramatma, we make prasad. Channamat, this much Panditji give this much prasad and all, and how we take. So my guru taught and I taught everybody, make your food like a prasad at home. Don't like be lunch, dinner, what you'll eat, no. As prasad kya banega? What kind of prasad it should be? So your food will become nectar, amrit. Like you drink water, you feel like it's a holy water. Every time you are drinking water, you drink like a holy Ganga Jal hai jo hum pee rahe hain. Morning you take bath, you say like it's a Ganga, Har Har Gange we say. Many of you must be saying, Hindus and Sanatani, Har Har Gange, Har Har Mahadev. Do we call like this? So we feel that water is Gangotri. You people start doing morning when first water fall on your feet, when you are in the bathroom. That is Narayan. First in the, then on the hand, it's a Brahma. Then on head, it's a Shiva. Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh. 3 of them in the beginning only, and it goes on and on, and they bless you. In the bathroom, you are feeling with the Har Har Gange, and with this, and whole day see the poised feelings where the karmas will be wrong.